All right, and last video of the day, math boxes. Number 1 says 3rd grade has 81 children. 2nd grade has 59 children. How many more children are in 3rd grade? You may draw a diagram or picture. Okay, I see how many more. That means we need to find the difference. When I hear difference, I know that we can subtract, find the difference. Or you can start at 81 on a number grid or 59 on number grid and then count to the other number. Okay, 3rd grade has the most at 81, 2nd grade has less at 59. What's that difference? If you want to draw a diagram, maybe you use whole part, and 3rd grade has the most at 81. Oh, that was a bad 8. 81. And 3rd grade has, or 2nd grade, oh my goodness. 3rd grade has 81. 2nd grade has 59. And what's that difference? How many more would 59 need to get to 81? What's the difference between the two? Write your number model with a question mark. Then you have your answer, and they already put the label. Number 2, Olivia has 3 liters of water. 1 liter of water has a mass of 1,000 grams. What is the mass of 3 liters of water? Well, maybe these are my liters. How many did I have? Oh, 3. But 1 liter is 1,000. So I'm going to put 1,000. And I'm going to put G. Why would I put a G? Because our abbreviation for grams is just the G. So here's 1 liter of water. That's 1,000 grams. But you have 3. How are you going to figure that out? Draw your picture. Write your answer. Celine rolls a 10 and draws a 6 card in multiplication draw. Edgar rolls a 5 and draws a 9 card. Who has the smaller product? What's the product again? Think to yourself, what's the product? When 2 factors multiply and get an answer, that answer is called the product. It says who has the smaller. You have to either put Edgar or Celine's name on this line. Write your multiplication number sentence to record their turns. Oh, sentences. So you need 2. You need a multiplication sentence for Celine, right? Write your multiplication. And a multiplication number sentence for Edgar. What were his 2 factors and what's his product? Then who has the, again, smaller product? Good. Number 4, it says multiply. What equals 2 times 2? That's like saying 2 times 2 equals what? They're just on opposite sides. Still means the same thing, just put in a different way. 2 times 9 equals what? 5 times 2 equals what? What equals 7 times 5? So what does 7 times 5 equal? Here's another one. 10 times 4, and this line right here is like an equal sign. 10 times 4 equals what? That's like saying 10 times 4 equals what? 10 times 9 equals what? And then number 5, how did you solve problem number 2? Scoot, scoot, scoot. Okay, how did you solve this one? Use words to describe it. All right, turn a picture in when you're done.